Hello and welcome again to another lesson, continuation of the part one of JavaScript variables. So we've talked about old ways and the modern way of declaring variables in JavaScript. Now, in this part two, we are going to be looking again at the rules for constructing names in JavaScript. Names can be short like XYZ. Your JavaScript name can be short as XYZ. So I want to just do something like this. Look at it. I can say let X. I'm just basically saying that I want my variable to just be X, and this I can just use a document to output it. Document, yeah, dot get element by ID. So let me just clear this. And then if you look at my browser, you can see hello Toby. So I'm concatenating a string hello with the variable value, which is Toby. And that's the reason why I'm getting hello Toby in the browser. So you can see that my JavaScript can be simple thing as simple as a single letter. I can change it to Y, it will still work. I can change it to Z, and it will still work. And it can be, it can be long name of a person. Just take a look. Name of a person is Toby now, because it's no longer that. If I take this, if I copy it and put it in place of S, since this is my new variable, you can see that it still works. So it can be something that is simple as XYZ, and it can be a longer name. In JavaScript, it will still work. Names can be descriptive. That means it can be something like age, song, car name, location name, the name of a country, the name of a city. So it can be anything. So nevertheless, do not forget that there are rules for constructing names. Even though names can be short and they can also be long, there are rules for naming, for constructing names, which are called identifier in your JavaScript program. So you don't just put any name. I mean, you don't just construct name or construct variable naming in any way. There are rules by which you must follow in order to get your desired result. Because if these rules are not followed, you can get an inconsistent result at the end of the day. So the rules for constructing name are what we are going to be taking a look at in the next lesson. Thank you and enjoy your day.